Do you know there are many cancer patients who are untreatable? My wife was one of them. I'm Takeo Tanaka, the founder and the CEO of MediGear. More than 500,000 cancer patients worldwide are not treated. Except rare cancers, major reasons are: one is aging. Aged patients don't have enough physical strength to get treatment. The other is due to the drug escalation. Patients lose their physical strength at the same time. This is a mechanism of the proposing new therapy. This approach has never been used before. Instead of drugs, only microparticles are dosed with a microcatheter. This therapy deprives cancer cells of oxygen and nutrients, a kind of starvation therapy. In comparison with advanced chemotherapies as competitor, the cost of new drug is awfully expensive. In addition, the applicable cancers are limited. Furthermore, there are serious side effects, which is extremely difficult to control. In contrast, proposing treatment is versatile for solid tumors, and the particle is inexpensive, degradable, excreted outside the body, and have the advantage of acting only on tumor tissues. The development is in early stage. Our next 2 years, we are going to establish a POC in animals and to stabilize the quality of prototype. We plan to conduct clinical trials in human in 3 years from 2025, and the target disease is brain tumor, especially glioblastoma, which the current case has no standard therapies yet. The product is classified as a medical device, class 3, because of no pharmacological effect. We hope to obtain an approval and achieve a product launch in 2028. Team members in Japan, I re-entered the graduate school for this project and a patent holder in this technology. Our team consists of various experts, a clinician of neurosurgery who can produce brain tumor model mice, and experienced consultant for ADME testing, toxicity testing, and CMC management, and global sales. Request to all of you, we need a total of up to $10 million on a milestone basis as seed round to accomplish POC in animal. We plan to move to the States and need a similar team and collaborators there. I'm by no means against drug discovery. However, as not a disease-first therapy, but a true patient-first therapy, we should have such an option to save the later stage cancer patient who have no treatment options left, like my late wife, Yumiko. Thank you very much for your attention.